A video circulating on social media showcases the explosion of a Russian T-80 BV tank following the arrival of a Ukrainian kamikaze drone. The drone attacked a Russian tank near the village of Novomikhailivka in the Donetsk region. The most epic detonation of Russian equipment's ammunition occurred after the arrival of a Ukrainian kamikaze drone, read the caption of the video published on the GRU's 200 Ukrainian military Telegram channel. It is not specified which drone the Ukrainian Defense Forces utilized. The video does not show the actual moment of the UAV hitting the tank. The drone footage captured the detonation of the Russian tank's ammunition, which ended with the tank's turret being torn off. Kyiv Post could not independently verify the date and location of the footage. It is also difficult to identify from the video which type of tank it depicted. According to various open sources, a Russian T-80 tank cost $2 to $4 million. This tank is less widely used in the Russian army than the T-72. The T-80 model is known for its complex maintenance and high fuel consumption. Professor Andriy Karuk from the National Academy of Land Forces, named after Hetman Petro Sahaidatchny, informed the Armia Inform media outlet about the design and challenges of the T-80 tank. Originally equipped with a 1,000 horsepower gas turbine engine, later upgraded to 1250 HP, the T-80 boasts high maneuverability, allowing it to navigate rough terrain effectively. However, this engine poses operational challenges. The tank's fuel consumption is considerable, 460 liters per 100 kilometers on paved roads, with even higher consumption off-road. Unlike diesel engines, gas turbines, more common in aviation, are susceptible to dust. Consequently, the T-80 is equipped with a comprehensive air filtration system. The engine demands regular, meticulous maintenance to ensure optimal performance, Karuk added. Compared to the T-72B, the T-80 BV offers superior combat capabilities due to its advanced fire control system. However, operational shortcomings have led to the mass decommissioning of T-80s from the Russian army since the 2000s. According to open sources, the Russian army had 7,558 T-80s of all versions in service in 2000. Decreasing to only 360 in service by 2021. Previously, fighters of the 47th Separate Mechanized Brigade of the Armed Forces of Ukraine reported the destruction of a Russian T-80 tank using a Tau anti-tank missile fired from an American Bradley infantry fighting vehicle. Vladimir Putin is furious after Ukraine's military staged a dramatic fightback and seized back control over most of a town that Russia thought they had captured in Kharkiv. Russia launched a surprise counteroffensive in Kharkiv earlier this month, and many military sources within the Russian army had boasted that they had captured the pivotal town of Vovchansk. However, Ukraine's defense forces have now confirmed that Kyiv has regained control of 70% of the town, amid fierce ongoing street battles. Ukraine's Lieutenant Colonel Nazar Voloshin said that Ukrainian counterattacks, along with effective artillery and drone strikes, were thwarting Russia's efforts and putting them on the back foot. He described Russian tactics as defensive while Ukrainian forces were increasingly seizing the initiative. The shock fightback has stunned Vladimir Putin's forces and left the Kremlin leader furious. In response, the Russian president has called on his military to send thousands of more soldiers into the area. The Institute for the Study of War said that a second Russian offensive in Kharkiv, after the first one stalled this month, was imminent. On Thursday, Colonel General Oleksandr Syrsky, Commander-in-Chief of the Armed Forces of Ukraine, confirmed that there was a growing buildup of Russian troops near Vovchansk, but the numbers remained insufficient for a full-scale offensive or a breakthrough of Ukrainian defenses on the Kharkiv front. Colonel General Syrsky said that Russian forces were redeploying their troops from other fronts and training grounds to the Streletsha-Lipsy area to to the north of Kharkiv and Vovchansk to the northeast of Kharkiv. Currently, there are around 38,000 Ukrainian soldiers deployed in and around Vovchansk, compared to approximately 14,000 Russian troops. While Russia's ground offensive has ground to a humiliating halt, Putin's forces have turned to missiles. Overnight, Russia launched 5 S-300, S-400 ballistic missiles into Kharkiv, smashing into an apartment block and killing at least 4 people. At least 25 people were injured during the attack on Ukraine's second-largest city. Also overnight, the Ukrainian Navy struck an oil terminal at the Russian port of Kavkaz today, using Western-supplied Army tactical missile systems, ATACMS.